What's going on, y'all? Crazy Pop here, and guess what? Today, another first for me. I'm doing coconut shrimp, but I'm not doing them on the griddle. I'm doing them in the air fryer. Now, I've done a few recipes on this channel in the air fryer, very little, and I need to really step up my game on the air fryer. Actually, I'm kind of intimidated by the air fryer. I don't use it a whole lot, and I need to use it a lot more. So starting today, we are going to start using the air fryer more. Now, please hit me up with some recipes that you'd like to see me try in the air fryer, along with the griddle, of course. I would love to try new things in the air fryer. But for today, we're going to do some coconut shrimp. Simple, fast, easy recipe. I've actually never even tried coconut shrimp. I got some friends who tried them over at Outback, and they said they're delicious. They love them. We're going to try to make kind of something similar. We'll get to that in a minute. But anyhow, I do have the air fryer already going. I got it on the low side of medium. Of course, you know the Blackstones are not exactly dialed in. So I'm setting it right at, it's about 375 to 400 is what we're looking for. So I do have the air fryer already heating up. Now, if you're looking for any other recipes that we may have done, look down there in the description. There is a recipe playlist link, and click on that link, takes you to all the recipes we do. Now, if you look for any of our social media that we do, like our TikToks, our Pinterest, our Instagrams, our Twitters, even our Facebooks, even the stuff we'd go to like Dollywood and Carowinds and all kind of other things we do. There's a link tree right down there in that description. Click on that. You can click on whatever suits your fancy. Hey, usually like, hey, I want to check out his TikTok. You can click on it. You can check it out. We'd love to have you. Follow us on all our social media platforms. We'd love to have you there. Please stay here, though. We'd love to have you here. Now, with that being said, the air fryer's already heating up, and we got to show you some groceries. Now, here is the amazing ingredients we're going to use to make this coconut shrimp. We're starting off with 1 pound of already unthawed, but this peeled, deveined, tail off large shrimp. I got a half a cup of flour. We have, let me get this right, y'all. It is a cup of panko with half a cup of coconut flakes mixed together. I have 2 eggs that I've beaten. And for the sauce, we're going to try something a little different than the traditional dipping sauce. I got a half a cup of mayo. We got some sriracha back there. And of course, I have the sweet Thai chili. And I got some extra virgin olive oil cooking spray for everything. Y'all, let's get to putting this thing together. So now while the air fryer's heating up, let's get that shrimp coconutted. Let's get this shrimp all battered up. We're going to go with the flour, egg wash, and then we're going to hit it over here with this panko coconut mixture. We're just going to lay it on this tray over here. Look at that, y'all. That's what we're looking for right there. Yeah, buddy. Let's get the rest of them done. One more. Then we're going to be ready to put these things in the air fryer drawer. There we go. And there they are in all their radiant beauty, ready for the air fryer. Man, them shrimp looking good already. It's time to pop these things in the air fryer. Get our drawer out. Spray it down a little olive oil here. And just start laying our shrimp in there. Just leave a little room between each one. Let that air flow around it. All right, we was able to get 12 in that drawer. Let's pop that in. And let's do the other drawer now. All right, there's 12 in that drawer, right there. Let's pop them in here. All right, they're in the air fryer. We got 24 of them going. We do have some more to cook, so we're just gonna cook them in batches. Luckily, that third drawer over is a warming drawer, so we can take these out and pop them in there. Now, we're gonna let this cook about 10 minutes, and I'll give them a check. But for right now, we need to mix that sauce up. All right, to make this sauce, we got half a cup of some mayonnaise, Duke's, of course. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of sriracha and about a tablespoon of this sweet chili sauce. Ooh, okay, more than a tablespoon. Kind of came out quicker than I wanted, but that's gonna be okay. And just give it a good mix. And that's what's gonna make our sauce. There we go. Waiting on that shrimp to get done. I gotta try this sauce, y'all. Ooh, that's good. That was real good. This thing's been going about 15 minutes. Let's check them out. Let's see what they're looking like. Oh, them are looking good, y'all. Them are looking real good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer these over to the warmer drawer and start that batch there. Oh, those are looking good. Looking real good. Oh, these are looking right too, y'all. Look at that. Yes, sir. Get them all in this warming drawer right here. Like that. We'll put it back down here. Now, we got all those in the warmer drawer. We got to load this other one up. So let's get them going, then we're going to eat here in just a little bit. Now, let's spray this one down. Get the shrimp in here. Oh, yeah. We're going to be eating good in the neighborhood here in just a little bit. And there we go. Let's pop these back in there.
A few moments later.
It's time to check the second batch, see if it's ready. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. It's ready, y'all. It is ready. Let's get it. Look at that. Shrimp is done. Let's plate it up. Oh, yeah. There's going to be some good eating right here. At least I hope it is. I've never tried this. I've never made this. It smells really good. We're going to find out here in just a minute. All right, let's get these last few in here. Get on there. One more. Oh, yeah. Man, I tell you what, this is smelling so good. Y'all got to see this up close. It looks even better. What y'all think about that? Man, that shrimp, nice golden brown. Got a good crispy crunch on the outside. And that sauce. I'm telling you, that sauce tastes amazing. I can't wait to try it on this shrimp. We got to give this a try. See what it's gonna be like. Well, here it is in all its radiant beauty again. Man, I'm gonna tell you, this shrimp's got a good little crust on it. It smells amazing. We're gonna try one out, y'all. Oh, I ain't telling nobody else about these. These are going home with me. Man, these are good. I don't know if they're like Outbacks or not, but these are jam up. These are really good. You gotta make these. And the air fryer got them so crunchy, crispy. That's amazing. I love that. And so I will be doing more air fryer recipes. Now, this simple, super easy recipe. As you know, I don't like using a lot of ingredients because I'm feeding a lot of people. I can't afford a lot of ingredients. I gotta buy a lot of food. So, try this out. Let me know what you would think about this recipe. And in fact, that dipping sauce is amazing. It really is good. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Hey, hit me up with more air fryer recipes. I'm really enjoying kind of learning the air fryer game. Had it for a couple of years. I'm kind of ashamed to admit I don't use it much, but I don't. But that's going to change. So with that being said, I got to finish these up because there ain't nobody else getting none. And we'll see you next time.